Hi, it's Leah again, and I'm going to do a talk about what my major problem is going to be in my project. So yesterday was Sunday, and since I'm very behind in my project, I decided that I wanted to work a little bit on it. So I was able to come up and narrow down from my top 3 to my top number 1. And I decided to do something very risky. I chose, instead of doing one of my problems from the top 3, I chose one that was not even a major problem. It was one of the minor problems that we came up with during my surveys in my research online. And I did gun violence. And after researching gun violence today, I came up with some statistics from the Justice Department Bureau of Justice Statistics. And these state that gun violence dropped sharply from 1993. From 1993 to 2011, gun-related homicides fell by 39%. From 1993 to 2011, gun-related crimes dropped 69%. And that's from 8,253 to 11,101. And this is a very, very good website. It's a .gov, it's not a .com, so it's very reliable. And after doing this research, I realized I couldn't come up with a problem, and I had to answer these questions. What is the problem? How did the problem start? What has been done to fix the problem so far, and has our effects been positive or negative? And if I can't even answer the question, what is the problem, how am I going to do this research project? So I decided to think a little bit. Well, if gun violence is dropping, what am I going to do? So I decided, okay, well, I'm going to broaden my scope. So I did national security, which has really been a big topic in our nation so far. Because if you think about the Boston Marathon, if you think about 9/11, even though that was a while ago, you still think about it. I mean, it comes up in the media every day about research that we're doing about it. So it's a really big problem from our nation. And when you go, I've been to the airport recently, and there's tons of security measures, but still people are getting on with knives and scissors and box cutters. So we really need to fix our problems. So I decided to do it with national security. But then when you think about national security, you think about, okay, well, that's airports, that's race events, that's even schools like Sandy Hook. So I needed to narrow my problem down a little bit more. So I decided to do national security at public events. But when you think about public events, you think about fairs, you think about runs, you think about all this different stuff, and it's just too big to come up with one main proposal that's going to fix all this. So then I had to narrow down even more. And since I am a runner, I was very upset when I heard about the Boston Marathon. So I decided to do national security at runs. And that is going to be my main problem for my project, and I hope to talk to you soon about what my proposal is. Thanks, bye.